Hello everyone, this is my review of the Permaroma vacuum bags for travel with the portable electric pump. Instead of fighting with a vacuum cleaner or rolling bags by hand, I plug in the small electric pump and the air comes out in seconds. It makes packing feel fast and effortless. What really impressed me is how much space these bags save. I packed shirts, pants, and even sweaters, and once compressed, they took up way less room in my suitcase. That gave me extra space for shoes and other essentials, and even room for souvenirs on the way back. The bags themselves feel durable, the plastic is thick, the seals are strong, and once they're compressed, they stay that way. I didn't have any issues with air leaking back in during travel. Another big plus is portability. The pump is small enough to bring with you, so you can repack on your return trip without having to hunt for a vacuum. If I had to mention one thing to keep in mind, these work best with soft clothing. And you want to make sure the bag is fully sealed before pumping. Overall, if you travel often and want to maximize suitcase space without the hassle, these vacuum travel bags are an innovative and super helpful upgrade. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.